Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. Making sushi today. Nori. This is the smooth side, and this is the rough side up. Sushi rice is a short grain rice called the sushi sticky rice. Apply your rice, push it up, hold it down, fill up more rice. You don't have to fill the whole sheet. I think this is good enough. The idea is you want to have 4 corners filled with rice. The rice is very sticky. It's called sticky rice, short grain rice. You can just follow the instruction, or you may add some sushi rice seasoning to get them more flavor. Okay? Look at that. Ta-da! Flip it over. Get a wet towel always ready on hand, so your hand will not be sticky with all the rice. Just gonna put a couple pieces of cucumber. This is not real crab meat, but if you have Alaska king crab, the best to do that. This is a fish cake. Avocado. Now, think about sushi as a way of making and eating it. The reason I say like that is I can put in filling with other things. Asparagus, carrot, cabbage, lettuce, any vegetable that you like, and all kind of protein. You can have raw, but have to be sushi graded tuna or anything, any kind of sushi graded fish, or even cooked fish. You just roll it like a burrito. Okay. Next, you need a bamboo wrapper. If you don't have, just use zip bag. Wet the zip bag, apply a little bit of water, and then pour it over top, cover the sushi, and you just slowly form into the sushi shape like this. Just press it down a little bit like this, okay? Now you start to look like a sushi roll. Next thing, Next thing, you need a sharp knife. Okay? Don't have to be sushi knife. See? This is all about home cooking. You'll be fine. Dip the blade, drip with the water. Saw cut. Don't press it down too hard. Okay? And if you can cut 8 pieces, then you are very good. Okay? Just keep doing that. If your knife, however, got sticking with the sticky rice, just wipe it like that. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1 more 8. Okay, and then I can reshape one more time. Voila! Clean up the excess rice. Don't get into your clothes or your eyebrow. Now we have sushi. Make at home. And add some sesame seed, roasted sesame seed, and dip with wasabi. I suggest light sodium soy sauce. If you want a gluten-free, that's a beautiful gluten-free soy sauce. Bon appetit. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. That's how you make sushi at home. So good.